thought you were playing. Okay, I
I
can
made it.
see that. Yeah.
Delta 6238 requesting clearance to cross runway.
Delta 6238 clearance to cross runway. Granted.
Can I land at 7?
And continue through that to gate 14, if possible.
Gyro
Express.
1059 asked me permission to land on 25L.
I'm sorry. Who was that again?
Gyro 1059.
Got you. Gyro 1059. Permission granted to land at runway. Was it 25 left?
Yeah. 25
Okay,
left.
copy that. Yeah, you could land at runway 25
This is
left.
ground crew for Greater Rockford International Online.
1000.
Okay, copy that. Thank you.
I'm still there.
Delta 6238, you're gonna crash at me.
Just both of y'all just ignore each other since I mean, you know, Delta has somewhere to be.
Delta 6238, do you need Marshall for gate 14?
That
6238, do you need Marshall?
nope.
Alright then.
Tower, good day. Ryanair 5410, requested to land any runway.
Ryanair 5410, you could, permission granted to land, you could land at runway 25 left, if possible, or, whatever you want, to be honest.
ATC, this is
I'm
the
landing on
Antelope.
the runway 7 left. Is it okay? I can land on the runway 7 left.
Yeah, no problem.
ATC, this is
Clear
Antelope.
to land on runway 7 left.
1000.
Copy that.
ATC, this is Antonov Bureau 9324 requesting landing 7R. Immediately.
500.
Antonov Bureau 9324, there will currently be another, a Ryanair 5410 will be landing there, so is it okay if you land at runway 7L?
He said 7L.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you could land runway 7R.
Osprey 6630, request taxi to helipads.
Copy that, Osprey 6630. I'm just gonna need you to follow Kilo 2 Juliet, Juliet 1 Alpha, and you should be at each one of those helipads.
Copy that.
Ryanair 5410, I'm going around due to the wind, due to the weather. Yeah, I'm going around right now.
Copy that. That is reasonable. It is 8 knots of wind.
Yeah, maybe it's because of the weather, probably.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's totally fine.
Just for information, I have a pushback on the ground.
Copy that. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
ATC, look behind you.
I can see.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna land on your tower. Can I land on your tower?
Permission not granted.
Why?
Because I mean you are gonna land on the tower, so you know, probably not.
Yeah, that's the
You can
tower.
land on the tower, bro.
It's just
No,
a land.
on it.
Yeah, bro.
Just land on it.
It's just a tower, bro. It's not. the end
Okay,
of the
fine,
world.
fine.
Alright. Bro.
Who's
not
the
gonna
other
kill
person
you.
talking?
That was me.
I overran. I overrun.
if you really want a challenge, try landing a plane that doesn't have VTOL on the tower. It's kind of easy
Yeah.
to do, but it's
Son,
hard.
son, son. What about
Gotta
the
go a bit
blimp?
higher.
What about the blimp? Let me
No,
use the
I'm
blimp.
talking about a fighter jet.
Yeah, a fighter jet is the F-35B.
A fighter jet that does not have VTOL.
Okay, the blimp.
Ryanair 5410.
That's
I'm
not a
just
fighter jet.
I'm gonna land on the.
Yes, it is it.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna clear
a
the
blimp
land.
is a fighter jet.
I'm gonna land on
You
the
know why?
runway
It's
25
used.
center. If
It was used in
you're okay with that.
1932 as a.
Lancer,
It
I'm
was
gonna need
used
to
in
speak.
1932 as a disaster for the rising
Lancer.
Germans, and it
Okay.
crashed.
Just mute
Let's not
Lancer.
talk about that.
Yeah.
The
Ryanair
nuke was used
5410, you're
to
clear to
defeat
land at
World
runway
War II.
25 center.
Yo, ATC
Going to
radio
land
check.
runway 25 center. Ryanair 5410.
Radio
Copy
check.
that.
Radio check. Radio check.
Yo, I think ATC muted you.
Oh,
No, I can hear him.
Alright. You should have said loud and clear.
We all can hear him, but we did not want to say anything.
you all might leave. The voices.
By the way, when will I be able to finally tug a plane? I'm waiting.
Me too, but I want to do emergency services for planes.
All right, that's good.
Alright, we got
ATC,
Ryanair.
mayday,
landing in, like,
mayday,
30
mayday,
seconds.
mayday, engine
Oh my god.
failure.
Engine failure,
Yo,
okay.
Lancy. Where are
Lancer,
you?
bro.
Main engine.
Yo, Lancer. You could land by yourself with your VTOL.
Our VTOL isn't working right now,
Yeah,
so we have to land.
Bro, what? Bro, you literally have VTOL.
No, we don't.
bro. Just land. It won't be that hard. You just gotta land, bro.
I mean, it's pretty hard to land with VTOL.
All right, Ryanair butter.
Ryanair didn't butter at all.
Next week,
There's a
you
reason
need
why
another
most,
tall for that.
Ryanair.
For a fighter,
There's a
for a
reason why
fighter jet,
most-
you need the smaller the smaller tug.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
There's a reason why Ryanair planes don't land or butter at all. Because
Exactly.
Ryanair needs money, so he makes it so pilots have to pay to butter.
Hey, I just saw butter land.
So that means you paid to get your butter.
Osprey 6630 requesting takeoff from helipad 1.
All right, Ryanair 5410. Which gate I should taxi to?
ATC. Uh, 5410, just hold by Foxtrot in the meanwhile.
Osprey 6630 requesting takeoff helipad 1.
Can you repeat that again?
Yeet.
I was saying, Ryanair 5410, please hold by Foxtrot, because I think ATC is AFK right now.
Oh no, the
What?
plane is coming. I should put.
I'm AFK and what?
You weren't
What?
you weren't responding.
Plane incoming. Plane incoming. Plane incoming.
Yo, Brian there, move!
Okay. Just.
Mhm.
Oh, damn, I hiccups.
Went around. What a tail drag.
Ryanair.
Please do go
I accidentally entered the runway, but I moved backwards.
Ryanair 5410, do you need gateway instructions?
Yeah, which gate I should taxi to?
Taxi to gate 13, please, and I'll give you the gateway instructions.
Osprey
Roger.
6630. Osprey 30 requesting takeoff.
Osprey 6630. Permission granted. Good day. And Ryanair 5410. Just continue through Foxtrot, Juliet 2, Kilo, and you'll be there.
Hey,
Okay,
Brian,
but there's
you
another aircraft coming. It might be at 777. Maybe the Speedbird 279.
Oh, okay, bro. Speedbird's annoying me, bro.
yeah, okay. Just wait for Speedbird to land and then hit.
Oh, he finally landed.
I'm waiting.
Oh my god.
Okay, Ryanair, please continue. Jesus, I have
Yeah,
hiccups.
just
Yes, continue.
Anyways, I'll
Yo,
just continue.
Ryanair, do you want me to pull you all the way to the gate,
Connecting.
or?
You want Marshall?
I got it.
Ryanair 5410. Do you want Marshall for gate 13?
Hey, Nix, let's get out of the
It's
way.
fine. I'm just gonna text it to gate 13. I think you said that.
When I said Marshall, I meant like instructions to stop at gate 13.
Yeah.
This speed bird dude is so annoying. Look at him. He's just like, oh my god, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. Oh, they're almost hit. Near miss.
Yeah.
Back before I had my account deleted by the Roblox team for absolutely no reason. I had the internet and was worse than Speedbird, so.
I don't know, I don't know how that Speedbird just landed too early when I'm trying to taxi. I mean.
By the way, Ryanair, if you got two ground vehicles having fun around you, that's not a problem.
This is IRFD Tower. I will be signing off. Good day to all you. All you guys. It was a pleasure.
Alright then.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
Alright,
No,
bye.
Have a nice day.
you are not allowed to go.
I mean,
I
almost
know I do
everybody
not have a
agreed with-
choice on that. Wait, what?
Alright, I'm gonna start my Marshall.
Wait, I'm a friend, all y'all.
Here, I wait. I'm coming.
Oh.
Move a little bit. Yeah, does the spot says 737 on it? Yeah, let me just Here, let me move a bit because Jordy's feet behind